Thank you for joining in, and I am back with another watercolor paper review. This one is a cheaper brand found at Hobby Lobby. You can see in the corner there, it was $4.99. There's a little bit of a glare. So this is the Master's Touch Fine Art Studio. Let's see, the cold pressed. It says it's 140 pound. There's 12 sheets in here, and it's 6 inches by 8 inches. And I will say that I was actually really surprised with the quality of this paper. We just did a little doodle here, just a cardinal and a little berry tree. And let's see if you can see that this paper has really nice texture. And it holds the water really well. And there was no buckling whatsoever. I just used some of my art philosophy paint here. Nothing crazy, because like I said, this was just like a doodle exercise, passing the time. You can certainly use this paper for a wide variety of things, even if you were just a crafter, hobbyist. You don't always have to spend like $50, $60 on watercolor paper. But yeah, I would definitely give this paper a try. The back is a bit different. I didn't paint on the back side. You can see a tiny bit of texture, but there's definitely more on the front. Yep, it held the water well. You can see the colors still blended nice. I'm not sure if it's sold anywhere else. I guess you'd have to look online, but Hobby Lobby, it even says right on it. You could go to hobbylobby.com too as well. See, down here on the bottom, I'll use my water pen here and I'll do some swatches just so you can see. Let's see here, I'll do down bottom. Put a little bit more pigment here in the corner. If I had to compare this paper to a different brand, I would say that I think this is a lot better than the Canson because it has a lot more texture to it and it could hold the water. Probably, I would say it's probably up there with the Strathmore, which is also a good beginner brand. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick review. You can be sure to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more. I have a lot of other watercolor paper reviews if anyone's interested. I do have a playlist of all the reviews, and I try to keep everything somewhat organized, so you can feel free to check that out, and I'll see you next time.